and show y'all the equipment that I have that currently in my shop that I will be using to print t-shirts or whatever else I print, because it's some other things other than t-shirts that I print. But I just want to jump on here right quick, and I know it's a live video. I just was on live earlier. I'm just doing this to kind of show y'all my what I got in here and just let y'all check it out. What's up, Denise and Karita? Okay, let me flip this camera. All right. So, y'all know my inks. This is all of the Plastisol ink. This is all the ink that I have. I got some water-based ink down there, but that I never use. Right here, I got my scrap box. I got my Roland Gx-24. It's an older cutter, but y'all see, this is what I'm using. I got my over here, my supplies right here, my vinyl storage wall. Up top I have some mugs right here. This is like transfer paper. This is my butcher paper. Back there, that's like empty vinyl rolls that I keep just in case I order vinyl from somewhere that don't have rolls, or I just keep it around, just have a bunch of junk. I don't know which one or the other. I was thinking about getting a little shelf, because like my test pellets are up there. I have a goof gun right here, but it's in the bathroom back there. I got this mug press right here for sublimation that I have never ever used before. Eventually I want to use it, but once I get a chance I will. I got my button presses over here. Right here you see my 1 1/4 inch one that I just got, my 3-inch one, and this is the Badger Minute one that I have to do by hand, and all my button supplies right there. Down below here I have my Sublimation Printer, which is the Epson Workforce 7710 right there. I got my my inks, my sublimation inks right here, all 4 of them. I just kind of keep them right there beside the printer. I got a laminator. It does like up to, I think, 13 by 19. This is my printer that I usually print my film on. It's a HP K8600, and it prints pretty dark. It's an older one, so I just keep it. All right, let me see. And I like to keep this little dust cover over, because when you're printing the shirts and stuff, I don't want stuff to get all inside my printers. All right, I got my conveyor dryer, which is it's just a old school conveyor dryer, starting line by Hopkins conveyor dryer. I have a video on that if y'all want to check that out. This is my Vastex V1000 right here, and it's the one that they have now is white. Rye says he liked the table. Yeah, that table is nice, Rye. The table is nice. It's it's a they actually have something similar to this at Sam's now. They got a it don't have the, like how mine got the wires up here right here, and I actually have this right here. This like just some Coroplast that I want to put up here and take the cardboard down, but I haven't done it yet. And I had this probably over a month and still haven't done that part yet. Eventually I'll get it done, but yeah, right now I just have cardboard up there, and down there I got like some white Coroplast, but I wanted it to be black so it'll match everything else. Then like in my drawers right here, I keep all, this is like all of my screen printing stuff and my ink for my printer that prints the film. Over here I have my sublimation stuff. This one's kind of heavy, and I have some license plates down here, which they're not sublimatable license plate. And this is my syringes and stuff for when I change out my ink. Let me see what else I got over here. I need to I'm trying to collect enough containers so that I can empty out my dip tank, because it's time to change it. I will be doing a video on that as soon as I get enough containers to put everything in, and try to figure out where I need to get it. But yeah, they do have one that's real similar to that one, right? I actually have a picture of it in my phone. I can send it to you once I get off of here. Yeah, and this, I still got the Fusion 180, the Fusion IQ right here. That's the small thing. The big one is down here. Still got this, heat press nation, the pull out slider, auto open. Let me see. Oh, I didn't do the flash dryer. My flash dryer over here, it's the fast flash. It's the one that Nevertheless Screen Printing Supplies makes. And let me see. And look, I got tires in here. Y'all see these tires? I just sold my Lincoln, and that's where I was keeping those tires at, because I use them when I'm working out with my groups, the exercise groups. I still got the U-Do under here, the U-Do that I used to use to expose my screens with. All right, and I like to keep that out of order sign on my bathroom door because I don't want nobody asking to use it. Let me see. Like right here, this is my exposure unit. It's the HBE 16 by 20, but it holds up to a 20 by 24 screens. This is the fan that I use. I have a dehumidifier over here that I use when, you know, it helps the screens dry faster. And I have this heater here that I use. And I also have this little box down here to catch like water and dripping emulsion and stuff like that. Y'all know my dark room. That's my homemade dark room, you know, drying rack or whatever. Yeah, that's the box for my laminated 13-inch. It does 13 by 19. Y'all know my homemade screen rack over here, right here. And then the other screen rack right here. A lot of this stuff I have links for beneath my videos. All right. And y'all know the front area, what it looks like. I have a video on that shows all of that stuff. Let me see. All right here I got my laser printer that I use to print all my transfers, and it is the Oki. Let me close that up. The Oki MC561. That's what it is. And right here I have my, look, I always keep that covered. Like the printers that I don't use that much, I try to keep them covered, because right now I'm not doing that much sublimation. But this is the HP T120 right there. I will be doing some stuff with this soon, and y'all be able to check that out and maybe possibly add something new to y'all business if y'all interested. Let me try to cover this thing up. But yeah, that's what I got up in here. That's what I got up in here. That's pretty much all my equipment. Oh, I didn't show this. It's real junky over here, y'all, because I took something out that used to be over here, the shelf. But right here, this is my old heat press right there that I don't use anymore. Oh, I guess I could show y'all like my camera equipment right here. I forget, it's the M3, I believe, right there. This is my camera and my mic that I use when I'm doing the live streams. That's my windscreen. I don't really use that much. That's my mic stand that I put this mic on sometimes. Got my, my mic right here. Let me see. This is the Rode mic that I use sometimes with my with my camera over here. And I also have, this is my little bag right here, right? This is the bag I've been using. But for ISS, I might have to bring out the gray one, like the one that you put me on to. But yeah, I do have the Rode wireless mic right here. This is the mic that I like to use. Let me open it up. When y'all hearing me crisp, I'm using, and I'm doing too much over here on this side, but I'm using this Rode wireless mic right here. That's the Rode wireless mic with the little muff on the top, wind muff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got up in here. That's all of my equipment, pretty much everything I use for doing the t-shirts and printing whatever, all the things that I print in here. But Let me see. I'm trying to close this thing up with one hand. Close. All right. But that's it. Anybody else got any more questions? I will be doing some. Oh, and I didn't show these, but these bows right here. My mom made these bows, and these are just hair bows that she got in here. Let me see. Yeah, she just made these to try to sell in here. I don't know, but I can put the links for the equipment and camera. I'll put it beneath this video, JP, once I get off of here. I can do that. Yeah, I can put the links beneath this video once I get off of here. And I love the Rode Wireless Rye. I love it. You know, with me being a woman, I just put it in here, and that's how I use it. But like you can clip it to your pants, and use a lavalier mic. I have a lavalier mic somewhere around here that I have never even used. I just bought it and have had it for years. It might not even work. What's up, Eddie Jr.? Let me see. Thanks, KJH. What's up, Jet? How you doing? My bad, I didn't see you on here. Yeah, but I'm gonna send you a picture of that thing. Like, it's similar to that table, right? Let me see. I'm just trying to go back through. All right. Just trying to make sure I didn't miss anything. The rack that holds my screens. I did a video on it. It was the cheapest rack I could find. And it holds, I don't even know the name of it. It was like an off-brand name, but I did a video on it. I can try to put the link below here with the camera stuff. What's up, Sheila? How you doing? What's up, Cynthia? JP, Rashonda, Sketches. Let me see. All right, I think I got everybody. I'm trying to scroll up and make sure I didn't miss speaking to nobody, because I always like to acknowledge people. Jen says, long time no see. Yep, that shelf worked out. I was glad to have it. What's up, Dom? How you doing? What's up, Steffi? Sharon? I think I got everybody on that. Okay, but I'm gonna get ready to get off of here, y'all. I need to flip this light on because I'm open for business now, and I got to get this thing done before 2 o'clock. Yeah, but I love the Rode wireless mic. Like the videos where you can hear me real clear. I mean, it's just awesome, and it lasts for a long time, so you don't really have to worry about the battery running down on you. The battery lasts like 7 or 8 hours. I use it for days before I have to recharge. I only had to recharge it once since I had it, and that was like last week. Ron said there's a child standing behind the t-shirt rack. That's Ian. That's my middle child. That's his job. He quit school, so I hired him to stand in the window and be on display. All right, but that's about it. All right, thank you, Bradford. I plan to, but that's my middle child. Since he decided he don't want to go to school, you tell him to do something, all he do is stand there. So I was like, you just get in this mirror and pose for the people. So that's been his job for a minute. All right, JP, glad you liked it. Flex says I use the Movo wireless mic. Flex says I was at that Movo. Any issues? Yeah, but that's about it. I'm gonna see if Flex gonna answer. Any issues with that Movo mic, Flex? Let me see. What's going on, computer? Y'all, I had just killed a bug over here on the wall, like right after. That's what took me so long to get back on the live stream, because I was like, oh no, you didn't, bug. Oh no. I hope it's not any bug parts on my chair. Ew. That'll be nasty. Alright, Flex said he like it so far. Yeah, they had a one that begins with a P, Rye, that's real small. It's like it's a real they say it's the smallest wireless mic, but it's like $300, I believe, something like that. It's a little bit more expensive than the Rode. It might be more than 300, but it may be 400, but it's around 300 or 400. Scoob, nobody asked you for that, Scoob. Nobody asked you for that. I'm putting Scoob in timeout. I'm putting Scoob in time. Scoob, you are in timeout, Scoob. Scoob, you in timeout. But I'm about to get off of here, y'all. Let me see. Scoob is in timeout, y'all. Let me see. Yeah, Scoob is in timeout, y'all. She can't say nothing. But I'm about to get off of here, y'all. I'm gonna check back in with y'all later. But if y'all like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bells. I'll see y'all tomorrow for the premiere and for the live stream. Print Squad out.